House Resolution number 103, introduced by Representative Song, a resolution to declare May 14th, 2025 as Hmong Special Guerrilla Units Remembrance Day in the state of Michigan.
Speaker recognizes Representative Song.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Today I rise in support of Resolution 103, recognizing May 14th, 2025 as Hmong Special Guerrilla Units Remembrance Day. This resolution honors the contributions of the brave Hmong American men and women who served our country overseas. In 1958, 3 years after the start of the Vietnam War, the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency discovered the Hmong people, an ethnic minority tribe living in the remote mountainous regions of Laos. According to accounts from surviving soldiers and family members, Hmong boys as young as 10 years old were recruited and provided weapons to aid the U.S. and engage in guerrilla warfare against the North Vietnamese. The covert operation was unknown to the public at the time. The Hmong soldiers were tasked with 4 missions. 1, protect the U.S. air base in Laos. 2, rescue American pilots that had been shot down along the border of Vietnam and Laos. 3, block weapons from being smuggled through the Ho Chi Minh Trail into Vietnam. And 4, engage in guerrilla warfare against communist ground troops. My own father, Mai Xiong, who is no longer here with us, was 17 when he was recruited to serve as a tactical aircraft maintenance specialist. My late grandfather, Mai Xiong, rose to the rank of commander. My late father-in-law, Ku Fong, rose to the rank of captain, and my uncle, who is here today, was recruited when he was 12 years old, and he is now the president of the Special Guerrilla Units Veterans. Their legacy is one of service and sacrifice to America. Their bravery deserves our highest recognition and gratitude. May their names and contributions to the fabric and freedom of America live in history and never be forgotten. 50 years ago today, on May 14, 1975, the last of the U.S. soldiers withdrew from Laos, and the Hmong who served under the direction of the U.S. military fled their homes along with their families, escaping persecution by the North Vietnamese and the Lao communist regime. Approximately 150,000 Hmong women and men and children were displaced from their homes. Thousands, including my parents and 3 older siblings, swam across the Mekong River in the middle of the night into neighboring Thailand. Tragically, many women, children, and men drowned, their lives still unaccounted for. Those who made it across were placed into refugee camps. It was there in the Ban Vinai refugee camp that I was born. Having made Michigan our home for over 50 years now, the Hmong are proud homeowners, business owners, healthcare workers, teachers, and active citizens of our society. May we honor the contributions of the Hmong veterans, their families, and loved ones who are our neighbors, and all who have chosen Michigan as their home. During this month, may we show gratitude to those who have shaped the course of history and safeguarded the freedoms that we hold dear. May we engage in meaningful conversations and dismantle barriers that impede our understanding and compassion for one another. May we use this opportunity to humanize our differences. May we foster empathy and solidarity with all communities. I humbly ask my colleagues to please support this resolution, and I welcome your co-sponsorship on the electronic resolution board. Thank you.
The question before the House is the adoption of House Resolution 103. All those in favor of the resolution will say aye. Aye. Those opposed, nay. The resolution is adopted.